Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon, good evening. How are you guys doing? I hope you guys are fine. So today we are going to make another video. I'm going to make another video about Red Team operations and tools. And today I'm going to talk about something uh, very nice about operating systems used by hackers, pen testers, ethical hackers, security analysts. Well, first of all, you have to keep your mind open because many people, many professionals think that they can use only Kali Linux. No, and not just Kali you can use. There's others. There's other options. Of course, Kali is the best one. It is because it's maintained by OffSec. So these guys, every single year, they update like 2 times every year, if I'm not mistaken. Well, now we have another options as I told you guys, like Parrot OS is after Kali is the best one. It has more tools than Kali and it's more light than Kali also. Okay, Kali has like 1,200 tools, and Parrot OS, the last time I saw, had 1,400 tools. And we have BackBox. BackBox is a OS based on Ubuntu, and then we have Black Arch, that it's based on Arch or Arch Linux. Okay, now is only Linux used for hacking? It's only Linux used by hackers. No, it's not. And I'll explain you guys why. Well, we have few programming languages. People who program will understand what I'm telling them. Well, let's say I'm programming a C sharp malware. C sharp is a native programming language for Windows, not for Linux. We have options like we have a IDE programming for Linux that's monodev. It's a very nice tool, but could have some problems. Okay. Also, we have VisualBasic.net. Also is based on Microsoft Windows. Well, we can't program Visual Basic or C Sharp in other platform as native. Okay, but let me show you guys here. I have a malware here. I'm creating a malware, okay, a dropless malware. So how do I know that all of these imports I'm doing, these modules will work properly? I can't guarantee. Neither the IDE can guarantee that this is going to run well. So I have to use Windows. The thing is, you have to understand about operating system. Windows, Linux, Mac OS. You have to understand very well about operating system, how they work. Basically, Unix, right? The mother of all operating systems. Unix. Okay, you have to train it, have to learn it. So for me, it works well on Windows. Obviously, I prefer to work with Kali because there's a lot of tools. But at the same time, I create my own tools. I don't limit myself to Kali or Parrot OS or Arc or Linux OS. I create my own tools in Python, C Sharp, C++, C, Java, or Pascal, or Ruby, or any other programming language that I can program. Okay? But today we are going to talk about Kali. I'm going to show you guys how is Kali, how it looks like, and some functions that Kali has. All right? I already have open here. Well, this is the first video. Next video, I'm going to talk about Parrot OS that's similar to Kali, and then I'm going to talk about Black Art Linux because it's very different than both of them. Okay, so let me enter to the Kali. So here is the Kali desktop, the graphical user interface. It's very nice. Here I have a menu with all the tools Kali offers. Here is to minimize all the open window. Here is open folder, text editor, browser, the terminal. Okay, and here we have some resources. We can monitor some resources here. Well, we have tools for information gathering. Again, Kali offers me a lot of tools, but today with artificial intelligence, ChatGPT, or GitHub, many people create tools and make it available. All right, I am one of them. I have some tools that I use on my GitHub, and I just post them. So here we have tools for DNS analysis, DNS enum, DNS recon, the IDS, IPS identification, what wolf, for example, a live hosting, RPin, Hyping tree, Netcat, Massiscan, and we have OSINT analyze, Maltigo, Spiderfoot, the Harvester. Okay, we have like SMB, we have network scanners like Massiscan, Nmap, and we have like IP and let me see, Angry IP. No, it's not here, but we can install also Angry IP. It's a third-party software, but still we can install it. SSL analyze, SSL dump, SSL scan, SSL slice to analyze AMAS, Dimitri, iScan, Legion, Netscover for discovering holes, the trace on the network, Nmap, and many others who have vulnerability analysis tools, right? Like Nikto. We have web application analysis. Burp Suite is very used. Many people use or OpenVAS, right? And here, Cadaver, DevTest, Skipfish, Vapti, WhatWeb, WordPress Scan, Web Shells. All right, so there's a lot of tools that we can use, and I'm going to show you guys. Obviously, this is a very basic introduction, so if you know more, just be patient because we're going to the next level in the next classes. Okay, I'm going to talk about some tools. So we have password attacks, Hydra, Hashcat, Crunch, John the Reaper, Medusa, Encrack, Opcrack, here to generate wordless. So normally I use Hashcat or Hydra because I have a machine, Bitcoin mining machine with 6 GPU cards. Right, each one of them has 8 GB. We have wireless attacks like Aircrack and G. I even have a video about this tool on my channel. Okay, so we have this sniffing, spoofing, exploitation like Nmap exploitable, crackmap.exe, social engineer toolkit, post exploitation. Okay, so let's see Nmap. Nmap is a terminal tool. There's the ZenMap that's not supported no more in Kali, at least, that we can use graphical user interface. But Nmap, we just can use it on terminal. Or we can use like Burp Suite that has graphical user interface. Okay. Or let me see, Deerbuster, I think it also has a graphical, yeah, here. So we have two different tools that has graphical user interface. Okay, it's very easy to use these tools. All right, just check it out. And well, I'm going to talk about these guys in the next videos. All right, so that's it for now. Thanks a lot for watching my content. If you like, just give me a like. If you're not subscribed, subscribe. And well, see you guys in the next